In today's video, I'll teach you how to allow camera and microphone settings on Google Chrome. So what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, click on this option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for privacy and security. Click on it. After you do that, you'll be led to the privacy and security interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option site settings that you can see at last. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the site settings over here. What you have to do is scroll down to this section for permissions. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for camera. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Sites can ask to use your camera. Don't allow sites to use your camera. What you have to do is make sure this option for sites can ask to use your camera is selected. If not, simply click on it. Now after you do that, go back. Now what you have to do is click on this option microphone that you can see on the screen. Now for microphone 2, click on this option sites can ask to use your microphone. Now after you do that, it will be enabled. Like this, you've allowed the camera and microphone access. So that is how you allow camera and microphone access on Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.